Here we have the guide that will guide the belt and keep it on the air conditioning pulley. Here we have the guide that will go on the harmonic balancer or the crankshaft pulley that will slip the belt around to the back side of the pulley for the rear part of the pulley. There we have the device that will hold the guide to the crankshaft pulley, and here we have the stretch belt. All of these parts are required to change this stretch belt. Alright, with clean hands we're going to install the stretch belt around the air conditioning pulley. Then we're going to put this piece in place here. You'll notice there's the bolt that comes through here and a little tang that sticks out of here. That tang is going to go in the lower hole and this bolt is going to go in the upper hole. See, the tang goes in there and the upper bolt goes right in there. And on the back also there's a guide for the belt that will help keep it around the pulley. Get that started. You need to put the belt on first. If you don't put the belt on first, there won't be enough room to get this in behind without removing this bolt up here. So belt first, in the grooves, this on second, and then we're going to set up to put around these pulleys here. With the belt around the pulley, there's going to be 4 holes inside the crankshaft. They're not threaded. There's just 4 holes in here. And if you need to find them, if you need to rotate it around, always rotate in the proper direction of the rotation of the engine. So the next thing we're going to install is, this is the guide that's going to put the belt on the pulley. Make sure the channels in the guide line up with the channels on the pulley, like so. Take the short end of this piece. You've got a long end and a short end. The short end is going to go inside and find the hole in the pulley. It's in there. Now that I've got everything lined up, I'm going to slide this guide back out just enough to where now I'm going to slide the belt into position around here, and then get this guide up and over top of it, which is going to help pull the belt into position. Everything's where it needs to be. I'm going to slide that down a little bit more, and we're ready to start rotating. All channels are lined up and ready to go. With everything lined up and ready, we're going to go ahead and take our ratchet, 22 millimeters or 7/8, line it up on that bolt, keeping our guide in position, and start rotating the engine in the direction of rotation, and the stretch belt will work its way around the pulley. And there, everything is lined up and as it should be. Keeping our guide in position, and start rotating the engine in the direction of rotation, and the stretch belt will work its way around the pulley. And there, everything is lined up and as it should be. Everything is nicely lined up. All grooves and belts are in the right place.